ఇది పోయిందమ్మా. అది అది ఆయన మళ్ళీ తీసుకున్నాడు. తీసుకో. హలో లేదంటే వాళ్ళు చూడు ఉంటారు.
ഒരു ഗ്രൗണ്ട് 4 ഏക്കർ बैटिंग एक पानी का बोतल लेके अंपायर पे रख देना। ठीक है।
Can you fill this?
Yeah, I'll fill this now. I'll give it.
No, you fill this. This is better. This won't heat the water. ఏదో అట్లే నీకేమో నువ్వు పని చేసుకోకుండా ఎవరిది నంబరు మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటే ఏమైనా అనుకోరు వాళ్ళు సెల్ తీసుకుని సరేలేదు సరే సరే పోదు ఇక్కడ బాల్ చాలా లూజ్ సాయిల్ it won't go actually there is a lot of grass right no if it is going flat then it will go are yaar etta miss ayin sami ball wide ఇది తగిలిండే కదా ఎల్లుండేది ఆడికి ఈడికి వచ్చాడు ఈడ స్పేస్ ఉంది కదా బాగా అడుగు ఆయన బేస్తాడు ఉన్నాడు ఎంతలా ఉంది కానీ బరువు ఉంది కదా చాలా బరువు బోల్ సాఫ్ట్ ఉంది
बेटा
बैट है क्या ये पूरा निकल जा रहा है भाई
एम ओ माइन चरण इज यूजिंग पैड
your pads
चरण या
anybody has pads we'll give it Rajni's pads huh
बट वो भी बड़ा है उसका अलग के लिए
हाँ
हां
It won't be big, ra. Our keeping a perisar.
என்னோட பேட் தான்
Heavy, yeah.
आई बटवा भाई बटवा ही
what is selling big one
काला
But that is cheapest pad, right?
no these youngsters you are Raghava
रजनीश का पैड है ना
నా ప్యాడ్స్ ఇస్తా
You played yesterday, Subbu?
no man why you played I was free yesterday
Let's see. Saturday morning, Sunday.
it's okay we can play one match also fine yesterday we went Actually, yesterday we played practice nets. Like that only. One day nets, one day match. That should be fine.
From there to here, if I
Wait లేదా అందరం వెయిట్ లేదా
I don't know, man. This is too right.
नया अंपायर है भाई.
He's saying like dead ball, very first ball, like as he pitched in the cement. I said for what dead ball? He's saying like last match like he played like that only. I said like no. There is no any concept of dead ball. Dead ball is basically like when batsman is not ready and like bowler has some issues, he can say like give dead ball, but otherwise it's not dead ball. No, last match in the cement it's dead ball.
Dead ball.
Why you calling dead ball?
Either it is no ball or
He's saying like that line is there, right? After the line it is like white. If it is outside like the cement, it is no ball. If it is in the cement, it's dead ball. I say like no. Then bowler say like no. That is it. That's how we play. Like it's, if it is outside the line, it is white. There is no any concept called like dead ball. Then he said oh okay. Then like bowler is saying both are not that great. Both are like okay. There is no any controversy decision. Like it will be okay. Like last week, right?
wide first ball wide.
Fielders ball rolling ಆಗಲ್ಲ. You have to take the ball. That's it.
First over like that wide, the second wide, that was inside the line only. Yes, given wide. So just why wide? He said no. It was well. He's saying like it's swing, right? He said,
Shot Malle.
nice shot, Malle. 4 ra.
Arre.
Good shot, Malle.
Ball is not going.
Bowling, see, in the on the manla, this kind of mud, right? If it pitches, it will not roll.
It's
Only
loose soil,
if it is, only if it is hard soil, it pitch like it's still traveling. This kind of mud, right? Whatever touches like it just sit like that. It will not go around. Amma, illa tooki adikka vena. There should be a lot of force on that, but
ball பழம் மாதிரி sound கேக்குதா?
ball alla. Ball already there was like kind of like bubbles in that.
Ora. Shot re.
Nice one, Ra.
Ra.
இந்த ஷாட் தான் நானும் ஆடணும்.
ஆனா கொஞ்சம் உள்ள போயிடுச்சு.
இல்ல அவர் என்ன சொல்றாரு பிச்சான அப்புறம் ஃபுல்லா உள்ள போந்துச்சு. அவர் கீப்பர் வந்துட்டு எப்படிடா இந்த பால் திரும்பினது எனக்கு இன்னும் தெரியல அப்படிங்கிறாரு கீப்பர். அவர் கீப்பர் வந்துட்டு ப்ரோ இட் டசன்ட் நோ ஆஃப்டர் பிச்சிங் இட் டர்ன் டூ மச் டைம் கேம் இன்சைட் அப்படிங்கிறாரு அவரு. நான் இன்னைக்கு ஆடணும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு மூடோட மட்டும்தான் வந்தேன். I supposed to stand and play today for any reason.
இன்னைக்கு bowling உங்களுக்கு நல்லா எனக்கு உங்க வலி தெரியுது. நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பால்ல தான் போயிட்டு வர்றது. நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பால்ல போயிட்டு வருவேன்.
ஒரு வாரம் ஃபுல்லா வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டேன். என்னடா இன்னைக்கு பேட்டிங் தான் ஆட போறேன். I want to play my game அப்படின்னு சொல்லி வரும்போது இந்த மாதிரி அப்பா எப்படி கடுப்பாவும் அடைச்சா என்னடா.
யோ லாஸ்ட் மேட்ச் என்னோட கேட்ச் பாத்தியா? லாஸ்ட் மேட்ச் ஒத்த கவுக்கூர்ல இருந்தவன் ஸ்கோர் லெக்ல வந்து பிடிச்சான். அங்க யாரும் இல்லாதவங்க தான் அடிச்சேன் அப்படின்னு. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி பால் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பால் பவுல்.
பட் see ரெண்டு பேருக்குமே ஆக்சுவலா சான்ஸ் தான். லைக் ஈவன் ரஜினிஸ் காட் லைஃப், ஐ காட் லைஃப். ரஜினிஷ் எதுக்கு அந்த பால் ஓடினார்னே தெரியல
எனக்கு தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது.
ஆக்சுவலாக அந்த பாலே ஒரு அவுட்னு நினச்சேன் நான். அவர் கீப்பர் பிடிக்கவே இல்லை, ரொம்ப கேஷுவலாக விட்டார்.
கீப்பர் தான் நூறு அடிச்சது.
பட் இன்னைக்கு இல்லை.
Four.
Still a lot of space now. From here we looks like it's very nearby. Lot of space.
We'll get one more can. Better get.
எவ்வளோ நாள் இருக்கு?
இன்னும் இது அதுமே கன்ஃபார்ம் ஆகணும். Telling that it should be another 3 to 5 years. But எப்படி judgment இந்த judgment எப்படி வருதுன்னு தெரியல.
வேற 3 to 5 years தான் இந்த பில்டருக்கு இவருக்கு எல்லாமே நடந்துருக்காங்க. என்ன ரெவன்யூ வருது? வித்தன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஒரு சிட்டிங்ல ஒரு 100 கோடி போகல.
சாலிட். அவங்க அதுதான் அவங்க பிளான் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க.
இவருக்கு ஒரு 2 கோடி கொடுக்க வேண்டியது தானே, ஹாப்பி தானே?
எதுக்கு கொடுக்கணும்? ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியா அவருக்கு இல்லை.
5 வருஷத்துல
சரி அவங்க எப்படி கால்குலேட் பண்ணுவாங்க? அந்த 5 வருஷம் கழிச்சு இன்னும் இந்த லேண்ட் எப்படி இருக்கும்? You didn't turn out. Taking rest.
Home, have some work.
Okay.
Taking rest on. Yesterday,
Oh,
Shot! See, அவ்வளோ ஷார்ட் அடிச்சோம், பால் பிச் ஆன அப்புறம் எப்படி வந்து பார்த்தீங்களா? எந்திரிக்கவே இல்லை பால். I was expecting after first pitch it's supposed to, yeah.
it is a ground shot, na? Something it will come.
Only ground shot. See, those areas still it will not travel. Only that, the other side like it will travel. This area
much mud.
Yeah.
I think still it became better than last
Last time was asking that ground. Ui. Wow. எப்பயோ ஜிம்முக்கு வந்து அவருக்கு நீங்க எக்ஸ்ட்ரா பணம் கொடுக்கணும் முடிவு பண்ணிட்டீங்க.
இல்ல பர்சனல் ட்ரைனர் 8000 ரூபாய் கொடுத்தயா?
நீ என்ன கேட்டிருந்தா நானே பர்சனல் ட்ரைனிங் எல்லாம் கொடுத்துருப்பேன். நீ அந்த பணத்தை எனக்கு கொடுக்கலாமா?
என்ன சொல்லி? கெய்னிங்கா?
Gaining only, that's what I'm telling. Time.
டைம் 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock.
1 hour only, na?
1 hour.
1 hour.
ஒன்று மட்டும் சொல்கிறேன்.
No, you.
கீப்பருங்க வச்சிருவாங்க. Edge. Top edge.
Unnecessary. He got 4 runs.
No, this is like he was not trying to go for a big shot. It's just like, it's a
This leg side, right? You can stop.
ஒன்று மட்டும் சொல்கிறேன். போயிட்டு வெயிட் மட்டும் போடாது.
வெயிட் எல்லாம் போடாது.
நான் எல்லாத்துக்கும் அது
Your first preference bowling, huh? First preference. No. Which one you like more?
Preference in the sense which is you are more confident.
In my previous experience, I like opened for my team and open in bowling also. So both
I can understand. Here everyone want to do the same thing. But you will not get it. Be frank.
1 4 gives you more happy, 1 wicket gives you more happy. That's it.
batting.
That is what we needed.
That's it.
Then you pad. This guy Rohit also you pad up.
Me?
Rohit, one more guy is there. No?
Pad up.
मैं कौन सा नंबर पे जाऊँ?
You have bad equipment?
No, I have the only L-guard.
Yeah. Once you ask Rajnish, you know?
Rajesh.
You ask him, he has everything.
नहीं मेरा पैड दे दो.
You can use that.
Not comfortable.
Can I use not comfortable but that's leg side ball. Edge.
Wait చేసి ఉండాల్సిందేమో లేదంటే ఇట్లా
Edge
పుల్ షాట్
వెళ్ళింది.
కొట్టాల్సింది.
నేను ఊరికే అట్లా సింగిల్ గా షాట్ కు 4 కూడా పోలే అది చూడు. బ్యాక్ ఆఫ్ ద బ్యాట్ తగిలింది దానికి.
Ah.
అసలు ఫస్ట్ కంఫర్ట్ లేవన్నీ లూజ్ ఇది
షర్ట్ బాగా తగిలింది.
ఎక్విప్మెంట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ మనదుంటే కంఫర్ట్ అనిపిస్తుంది లోపల.
But always will tell you, like, you know, few things you feel like, you know, you're comfortable only with, like, you know, your own equipment.
Your hands smaller than me. Even your gloves also I'm feeling little bit tight.
Tight, huh? Don't have any other choice. No, I used to it like, you know, the tight one. So that is why I felt like, you know, okay, let's go.
We'll be there behind you.
Yours will be like little lengthier. Mine not lengthy, right? Nice shot, Ra. No, he is doing good.
కరెక్ట్ ఒకరో దూరంగానే పడలేదు, ఇంకొక మీటర్ అక్కడ దూరం అన్న పడింటే కష్టం.
Other than keeper, right? Anyone would have dropped. Correct. As keeper was going, I was confident that he will take. Anything other than that, like, you know, for sure they will drop.
షాట్ రా.
Nice shot, Ra. See, this will roll. This kind of shot, like, you know, it will roll.
मल्ली तुम्हारा शॉट इधर आकर बस पकड़कर इधर आया था आफ्टर पिचिंग.
नहीं जाएगा ऐसा बॉल, ओनली ग्राउंडेड शॉट बाउंड्री जाएगा.
ऊपर ही बॉडी शॉट गुड नो.
You are playing recently or
ए लास्ट मैच में
gap you are playing?
कर दिया ना वो
నాకు ఇట్టేలేదప్పా, అందుకే నేను అన్ని వాళ్ళని కట్టుకున్నాను.
सुपर कैच है ना, इसका बॉलिंग में ही लिया ना मैंने.
इन्होंने सुपरमैन कैच लिया था
हाँ
1 hand catch.
Handle
Ah.
बेस्ट एवर कैच, सिंगल हैंड, लेफ्ट हैंड.
A few catches, right? This guy.
then what we will do,
He'll keep
we'll
his
use
hand like
more
this,
for
like
bowling.
हां वही.
So you go,
two people behind. That's it.
you go, after that I'll come, after that he'll. Yeah, shot.
Well played, Ra. Well played, Ra.
4 level, both of them.
Oh, this will go. See, these kind of balls will roll. No choice. Good shot, ba.
Good shot, one more century we need.
No, don't give the numbers.
Fielding. That's it. Last match what fielding Subbu?
That's it. Fielding. Adam pannume.
Ah.
See, I'll tell you. In our team, right? The people ready to field only in their overs.
Ah.
They're not ready to, like, you know, field for other bowlers.
But me na, for every overs I will not field.
I know. Very rarely, like, you know, sometimes when ball comes, you keep like this, ball will hold you.
No, one more catch also he took like this.
That is what I'm telling you,
You
right?
remember, SPCC, leg side. Oh, 4 is this one also. 4 abba.
Pah, he's running or flying.
He's running very nicely, but still ball went.
Yeah. Ball rolled very fast. Good one, good boy.
Glass is there, a little bit helping.
Where is Rajnish?
He's going somewhere. Juice.
పేస్ కూడా ఊరికే అదే బౌలింగ్ 90 స్పీడ్, దట్స్ ఇట్. పేస్ ఆల్సో.
See, only that area only, that V shape, right, from the stick. Only those areas it's like, you know, roll faster. All other areas it will not roll.
పోయిన ఓవర్ అయిపోయింది మనల్ని.
April 15th, the inaugural match of SPCG, okay? Greens ground.
Huh?
Greens ground.
ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ
Hello, Rajesh bhai.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವರು ಕೂಡ
Oh, adrita namal already set panniranga. Subbu. That is the reason next week, like, it's already scheduled for us.
April 11.
Oh, it's April 11. I don't know. I saw, like, you know, some
ರೈಟ್
Already scheduled. Jajak was
next Sunday.
next Sunday.
Maza.
Doing something.
Zero Jahir. Sorry. Zero Jahir.
This guy.
This guy is scheduled.
This guy always does something like this only.
No, they have tournament. They don't have opponents, so they never give a name. Our name. Our team name. Team name is ours only. Players will be all.
Which one?
Team names are different.
Next
Players are
Sunday.
same.
Why he is doing na? When he is showing his profile na, ground profile, Jet Jaguars, Strike Raiders, Splendid Knights, Tech Titans. इतना टीम्स आ रहे हैं खेलने के लिए.
Okay, he will show.
हाँ.
Good. Good. Anyway,
See how heavy. You're quite opposite to your bat.
No, mine like my regular bat is like this. Yeah. That BDM like no much weight. Okay. The other one like this only. Same like see all these old bats right. All this have this heaviness. But nowadays like see if you take my the old bat still what I'm using.
I like this bat.
Those will be like very light. I'm used with like this heaviness.
I thought you are used to it, that light bats.
I somehow like I'm pretty much comfortable with like that is the reason now what like 7 years whenever it's still broken like I'll go like make sure like fix it.
What happened to CSK? Any tips to CSK?
I'm not CSK fan.
No, is it?
No way. I'm always
They,
behind
they
Kohli.
are thinking that like Dhoni in his 30s he has to come and hit every ball and get 6.
Nah, no.
See, I'll tell you, when he pushed like all other players to get retired, now his turn, right? He's supposed to
No, it
understand
is not because of him. I'll tell you, Rohit, Kohli or Dhoni, gaya to IPL gaya. Next 2 years it will be bad income. So it is BCC pressure to have
Face
Dhoni.
actually, it's a
that. See, that is the reason. Like,
Do you think Dhoni want?
otherwise, Chennai, like no one will be there.
But
Like
this
when
time,
Chennai game is going
this
on.
time Chennai fans also got frustrated.
Chennai, those organizers, they are keep.
See, that
The senior,
No, this is the first time Dhoni getting negative comments from fans. This
Yeah.
is the first time.
From his
First
own
time
fans.
in entire career.
వాడు
First time.
ఆడలేడు. He don't have any intention to
He's
play
giving
IPL.
single to.
Just
Chennai
for
organizers
management.
only
They are pushing because
No, but last season he played pretty good.
I think
he
That I
is
agree.
that,
Last
I think
season,
Dhoni-
right?
He played
you
good
know,
last
match is the final match. I am suspecting because your parents, everybody came, right? I think.
Hey, cha!
What?
Hit wicket, ra.
Hit wicket. This is a bad man.
bad.
Hey,
Nobody got out till now in our teams.
మరి అంత బ్యాక్ బ్యాడ్ లేడా
He waiting for it was slow ball, okay. He was waiting for the ball. He came like this, like he hit. And when he's taking his leg,
Score?
60
he was the one who taking the score.
59 only 59 4 wickets.
Who's next?
Charan. Charan now going.
చరణ్ ఇప్పుడు వెళ్ళాడు.
Akash is there, right?
Yeah.
मैं क्या बोल रहा? There is no comment for that. Come and just sit.
Slow ball. I know, like we are planning for like that gap, but hard luck, man. No risk happens.
You can throw the bat today. No worries.
వాళ్ళ మ్యాచ్ స్కోర్ రావట్లేదు.
ऐसे out नहीं होना है.
ఏమి
వాళ్ళ మ్యాచ్ స్కోర్ రావట్లేదు. గ్రౌండ్ లో
ఈ గ్రౌండ్ లో అసలు ఉండదు టోర్నమెంట్ మ్యాచ్ కదా.
Helmet, wear helmet, भैया.
चौका हुआ है ना वो? हरी भैया? चौका क्या ना?
Take from he got out. Take.
धम.
Can I use this?
If it gets early wicket, no? I will go. Yes, will go.
We need someone to stop the wicket. It's not even 10 overs. Still we have another.
I will also bat up.
उड़ के मारा ना मैंने, स्लिप हो गया। पहला वाला बॉल मैं क्रीज से बाहर था, तो कीपर थोड़ा आगे आ गया ना, तो मैं अंदर चला गया। स्लिप हो गया यहाँ पे ऐसे।
Run.
इजी बॉल ऐसे।
టర్న్ అవుట్